Okay, today I'm going to change or look and see what's involved in changing the battery on a backup 450. And this is the model number. It's a BN450M. And what's interesting about this unit is that it only has a load, could only supply 255 watts. And what's even more interesting is that typically you'll hook this up to computer equipment, and the output of this device is not purely sinusoidal. So this isn't really that good for electronic equipment. Ideally you should have a pure sine wave, but this is the lowest end backup UPS you could get. This is the fuse in case you need to pull it out for any reason. Alright, and in order to get access to this unit you need a long screwdriver like this one. It's about 6 inches or so, and you have to take the 4 screws off on either corner and then flip and then just pull this off. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, the board is in the back, and this is the battery. It's pretty small. It's not designed for a lot of long time usage when the power is out. So if you need to change a battery, this is what it is. It's a MS 4.5-12, maintenance free. So pretty simple, 20 hour. Just take those two off and buy a similar battery, which is a 12 volt, 4.5 ampere hour, and just swap it out, put the screws back in, and you're done.